Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Eureka AirSpeed ultra lightweight powerful compact vacuum. Why to waste time? Let's go and start. Okay, within the box we got the actual machine, handle and two of the other cleaners. Here is our handle, like everything is already set up. It's pretty straightforward to use the vacuum cleaner. This is the handle and you just push it on the top and it gets locked. And if you want to remove this, you can just push this one back side and lift it up. It's easy. And if you are using this one just for the carpet or floor, you can directly use this way. But if you want to clean something on the roof or on your sofa or couch, so you can just remove this one here and insert into this one. You see there is a small dot. Once you push it inside, you can see the lock symbol. Twist to the left and you can do the attachments here to clean something on your carpet, or if you have something much more thinner one, use this one. Once cleaning is done, to remove the dust from the container, the dust is collected in this container. Just to remove this, all you have to do is press the button here on the top and bring it out. Easy. And you can just remove the bottom from here. Just pressing this one and you will get this one, and you can empty this one. So once you clean this one, just push it back. So just when you're pushing, just be careful, it gets locked. So right now it's locked, and make sure you just keep it back in the right position and push it back, and you hear that sound, it's got locked. And the price of this product is $54. It's cheaper, like it's below $100, and I got this one on Home Depot. I can share the link in the description. So I'll just give it a try cleaning my carpet. I'll show you.
One eternity later.
You guys can see it. It's doing pretty good job. Oh my god, I did not expect this much dust in my carpet, but it's doing really pretty good job for its price. So I would recommend you guys get this one. You guys have seen I have cleaned my carpet. It's doing a great job for the price. So I would recommend to buy this one. For the product link, you guys can find it in the description, but it is really worth it if you are like looking a carpet cleaner below $100. This is a good one. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. That's how you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys again for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.